students. Today we are going to start a new topic of ICSE biology, that is photosynthesis. First understand what is photosynthesis और हमें इसके बारे में पढ़ना ही क्यों है. This is the basic process in which plants produce food and oxygen. We can say our survival or the survival of entire living organism based on photosynthesis. क्यों? क्योंकि फोटोसिंथेसिस एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें फूड प्रोड्यूस होता है, जिसके अंदर ऑक्सीजन प्रोड्यूस होता है. So we will discuss different steps of photosynthesis. Let's understand why this process is called photosynthesis. Photo means light is required in this process, and synthesis means when we synthesize something. जब हम किसी चीज को synthesize करते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? इस पूरे प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Photosynthesis. So photosynthesis, let's understand the definition of photosynthesis first. This is a process in which green plants prepare food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, and in presence of sunlight. During this process, plant release oxygen also. Now, there are certain operative words. Operative words are the words which are mandatory to mention. These are green plants, carbon dioxide and water as a raw material, and in presence of sunlight. If you will not mention these operative words or any of this operative word is missing, your definition is incomplete. Right? Now let's understand the equation of photosynthesis. The equation of photosynthesis is carbon dioxide reacts with water in presence of chlorophyll, that is a green plant or green parts of the plant, and in presence of sunlight it produces glucose plus oxygen plus water. So if we balance this equation, 6 molecules of carbon dioxide react with 12 molecules of water and form C6H12O6 plus 6 molecules of oxygen and 6 molecules of water. Now, during the reaction, if you will not mention sunlight, the reaction is incomplete. If you will not mention chlorophyll, the reaction is incomplete. You will not mark. Now, as per the chemistry, if we rebalance this equation, if we are writing 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, it produces glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen. Is there any mistake in this equation? देखिए केमिस्ट्री के हिसाब से हम देखें तो यहाँ हमने 12 molecule of water we have taken and here we have taken 6 molecule of water. So if we counterbalance, then it totally become 6 molecule of water and this reaction is entirely balanced. Look here, how many molecules of carbon is here? 6. Here 6. How many molecule of oxygen? 6 to the 12 plus 6, 18. And here 6 plus 6 to the 12, 18. How many molecules of hydrogen? 6 to the 12 and 12 are here. So this reaction is balanced. So chemistry के हिसाब से ये reaction बिल्कुल ठीक हो सकती है. Maths के हिसाब से ये reaction बिल्कुल ठीक है. लेकिन as per biology this reaction is wrong because this reaction does not show that water is also released during the process of photosynthesis. प्रोसेस में एज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट वाटर बनता है, ये इस रिएक्शन में नहीं दिखाया गया है, तो ये रिएक्शन गलत है. आप पेपर में सिर्फ ये रिएक्शन लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज द राइट रिएक्शन. क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज वेयर फोटोसिंथेसिस अकर. वी मेंशन हियर ग्रीन पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. ग्रीन पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट क्या होगा? इट अकर इन लीफ, इट मे अकर इन green stem, it may occur in stomata also, because stomata consists of chloroplast, right? इसके अलावा it may occur in cotyledon also, जो आपने 9th में seed में भी पढ़ा है. Now, what are the raw material for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide and water. From where plant receive carbon dioxide? They receive carbon dioxide from atmosphere. From where they receive water? They receive water from the surrounding or through the roots actually. In case of aquatic plant, carbon dioxide will receive, which is dissolved in water. वहां से लेंगे, water तो वहां पर already available है. Now, we will understand where this process occurs. This process occurs in chloroplast. So first we will understand the structure of chloroplast, then we will proceed further. So to understand the structure of chloroplast, let's draw the diagram of chloroplast. See, chloroplast is a cell organelle and it is a double membrane structure. So in examination, if you are getting this question to draw the diagram of chloroplast, so half marks is the first shape. If you will draw oval shape, then it's okay. If you will draw in a circular form, that's absolutely wrong, right? Second half marks is for that it is a double membrane structure. Now, inside it there is a coin-like structure, and this structure is also double membrane. So this structure is called, let me label first, this is thylakoid. Okay, and there is a group of thylakoid, a pile of thylakoid, and this pile of thylakoid is called grana. So there are number of thylakoids which are scattered in stroma, that is a liquid matrix, and they are connected with the help of stroma lamellae. Okay, so let's label. This is stroma lamellae. This is also known as frat. Okay. Inside this, there is a liquid cytoplasm or liquid matrix. This is called matrix. Or stroma. Right? Now, let's understand the location of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present between the membrane of thylakoid. So हम यहाँ बनाते हैं, between the membrane of thylakoid there is chlorophyll pigment. Chlorophyll is pigment, right? So let's label it here. So what is the exact location of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is present between two membranes of thylakoid. Matrix we have labeled, stroma we have labeled. Now, inside the cytoplasm there are few ribosomes also, which are scattered in its cytoplasm or its in its matrix, not cytoplasm actually. So this one is ribosome. Now, why ribosome is required? Ribosome is required for protein synthesis. We will understand why protein is required. Inside chloroplast and mitochondria, they contain their own DNA also. So let's draw their DNA, and their DNA is a circular DNA. कैसा DNA होता है इनके पास में? सर्कुलर डीएनए होता है, जो कि जनरली प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में होता है. दिस सर्कुलर डीएनए हेल्प्स इन duplication of chloroplast, or if chloroplast is lost, because of DNA they can regenerate their own chloroplast. That's why chloroplast is also known as semi-autonomous body. Semi-autonomous body means they can प्रिपेयर ओन क्लोरोप्लास्ट, या एक क्लोरोप्लास्ट होता है और एक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, बोथ कंटेन सर्कुलर डीएनए एंड बोथ considered as semi-autonomous body. So this is the entire structure. This diagram is very important, especially to draw in this chapter. It is a double membrane structure. It is oval in shape. It consists of coin-like structure. Each coin is known as thylakoid. A pile of coin is known as grana. It consists of liquid matrix, that is matrix or stroma, where dark reaction takes place. In thylakoid and grana, light reaction takes place. Now, what is a dark reaction and light reaction? This we will understand in next videos. It consists of circular DNA, so they can prepare chloroplast. It consists of ribosome, which helps in protein synthesis. Chlorophyll का location क्या है? It is present between the two membranes of thylakoid. This diagram is very important. Now, in next video, we will understand how leaf is adapted for photosynthesis.